So the question is factorize completely and then you're given this. Okay. The first option that you can think of is to just expand this bracket, right, and get a cubic equation. But factorizing means what? Let's say when we have a quadratic equation, x square plus 5x plus 6. So how do we factorize it? Let's say using the sum and product method, two numbers. So let's say this is 1x square. 1 times 6 is 6. So two numbers that multiply to give you 6 and add to give you positive 5. So that's positive 3 and positive 2. So we write it like this: 1x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, right? And we take x common, put x plus 3 here, and then plus 2 common, and put x plus 3 here. So we have these two as the same brackets, and these two become one bracket, x plus 2. So this becomes x plus 2 and x plus 3. So factorizing is nothing but opposite of expanding brackets. From this you have got these two brackets, and similarly that's what we'll do here. First, this bracket is already a bracket, so let's not expand that. Let's try to work on this. So in this case, we have to look for the factors of common factors of 144 and 112. So there are many. If we start with 2, 2 times 72 is 144, 2 times 56 is 112, right? Uh, Another thing we can try is, because we see a 9y minus 7 here, let's try for a second, let's try 9. So if you do plus 9 times what is 144? 144 divided by 9, 9 times 1. 9 times 6. So 16 times 9 is 144. So because y square is common in both, so we can take times 16. So we can try factors. Let's say 9y minus 7 is there. So let's try some factors that give us 9y minus 7 in brackets here, so that we do the same thing. We get, just like we brought these two brackets as the same, this is what we do. We'll first put 9y minus 7, and let's try to see, can we multiply something to get this. So if we can see that y square is common in both the cases, right? At least both the terms have y square, so that comes out here. And there is we know that 144 divided by 9 is 16, and if we do 16 times 7, that also gives us 112. So we can do plus 16y square times 9y minus 7. So 9y minus 7 whole square plus 16y square times 9y minus 7. Now let's just write this like this. We are not going to be expanding the brackets, but let's write it like this: plus 16y square times 9y minus 7. So what's happening here, you've got, focus on these two brackets, this and this. So then if you take this term as this, so take x as this 9y minus 7. So basically make it 9y minus 7 and x plus 2, right? So 9y minus 7 plus 16y square times the second bracket, this bracket. So 9y minus 7. So basically you have clubbed this with this, right? That's it. Now write the ascending, the highest order degree first, 16y square plus 9y minus 7, and write this as 9y minus 7. Now we have to take two terms that multiply. 16 times negative 7 is negative 112. So two numbers that multiply to give you negative 112 and add up to give you positive 9. So you can even see it here. 16 minus 7 is 9. So you could even just use that. 16y square plus 16y minus 7y. 16y minus 7y is the plus 9y. So we've broken the middle term, and then this is this 9y minus 7 as it is. So if we just take, what can we take common here? I'm writing this here. I'll write this here. So I'll write this bracket here. Okay, so I'll basically cut it and make some space and I'll write it as 16y square plus 16y minus 7y minus 7. I can take 16y common. So y plus 1 goes in. Okay, and I take minus 7 common, so y plus 1 again goes in. So I have one bracket as 9y minus 7, one bracket as 16y minus 7, and one bracket as y plus 1. So my three brackets are 16y minus 7, y plus 1, and 9y minus 7. And that's it. I've got it into the factorize that completely to make it this.